everyone a big round of applause to our sovereign Miss Shanley Santos Manuel Orzia. At this time, please remain standing for the opening prayer to be led by Thank you so much, Mr. Abdurin. And now, you are also part of the 18 dance in view. Thank you so much, Mr. Art Rivera. And thank you so much, Joaquin Suarez. And now to complete. Alright, to the remaining 18 roses, kausapin niyo po yung celebrant, ha? Thank you so much, Mr. Sebastian. And now our 10.
Pakisabi lang, happy 18th birthday, Zia. Sabay ka na lang. Kaway lang, ha? Okay, ready? Walang dating. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy 18th birthday, Zia. We love you.
Alright, iwan po kayong lahat except kay Sir. Sir, makakaupo na po. Come on! Nakakaupo ka na next! Thank you so much, next! Nakakaupo ka na next! Pasok! Congratulations! You did a great job tonight. And next, pasok, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Nakakaupo ka na next. Pasok! Hey! Alright, thank you so much. Next, pasok! Maraming salamat. Pasok! Hey, 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 hey! Thank you so much. Next, pasok! Wow! Thank you so much. Pasok. Next! Wow! Michael Jackson. Thank you so much, sir. Pasok! Alright, next! Thank you so much. And of course, our last. Parang kinakain yun.
18. So, wish ko sa'yo, enjoy mo yung pagdadalaga mo ay journey mo bilang 18. Siyempre, marami ka nang ma-experience. May freedom ka na, and siyempre may responsibility. So, kapag nagkakaroon ng mga problema, importante na ano ka pa rin, maging keep going ka pa rin, keep praying, at saka lagi kang magpasalamat sa kay God at kay sa mga parents mo, kay mommy and daddy. Always, ayun, lagi kang malapit sa kanila, sa Diyos. Ayun. Thank you po!
Once again, thank you so much.
Okay, guys. Cheer po. I want to three smile. Guys, closer pa, guys. Closer doors to celebrate. Cheer 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, wait. One more. Okay lang, guys. Okay na.
Alright, ladies, wala mo na nga alis sa SL. All the 8 wishes. Let's go.
Suddenly, every time you want me, just like me.
Name the title of the song. Ang hindi makakasagot ay sasayawin ang kantang ito.
Title?
Cha-cha-cha uppercuts by ano.
Cha-cha is correct. It's enough. I'm so sorry, boys. Sasayawin ang cha-cha. Wait lang. Wala pa. One more time, go! Wala pa. Alright, thank you so much. Ang kulit nito, muchachos.
Spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa, spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa, pataas.
Parang si ano. Next, yung matingin lang na susunod ni Kuya Bunda. Okay, legit na tawa niya. Okay, isa pa, kailangan ko pala isa. Sino girls? Sino? Pumili kayo on the other side. Sino? Yung nagtatago. Halika dito. Masabi mo lang, susunod! Dali.
At sa susunod,
Thank you.
Ano yun?
Thank you so much, Mommy Adelaida. And
Happy birthday, Zara. Sa wakas, dumating din yung araw. Yung gift ko sa'yo, magagamit mo pag aalis ka, gagala ka.
Kwento mo yung sa akin yan.
Ulit, happy birthday!
once again, ladies and gentlemen, around the
Here, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, smile. Guys, kaya pa mas closer bit. Wait lang po. Wait lang.
And of course, for our last set of Zeriel Santos. Okay, paligid po muna kayo. Pakibigay yung microphone sa ating 18 bills. Sige po, picture po muna tayo. Sige po, pwesto po muna tayo for the picture. Pakibalik yung envelope natin. Oo. Opo, pakibalik po muna. Oo. Sige. Sana after ng one word bago ibigay. Okay, sige, okay na po yan. Okay. 18 bills.
Wait po.
Picture muna tayo.
Mami, okay na po. Pwede po.
Yung dalawa po, pwede po umupo sa tabi ni Zia. Si Mami. Paupuin niyo yung school principal at ang may-ari ng Pure Gold.
Okay, guys. Sorry.
Wala mo nang aalasan.
Okay, guys. Secure po. 1, 2, 3, smile. Guys, closer. Closer pa. Lapit na. Zia. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, guys. Walkie, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Nahulog. Madumi na po yan.
Sige po, kaway lang po, kaway. 1, 2, 3 po, kaway lang.
Ayan po. Kawayan niyo po kami. Okay, sa ating 18 bills for this segment, all you have to do is just give one perfect word do or accepted. Let's start with you, sir. Maswerte yung mga mauuna. No repetition of word, right? Go ahead.
Describe siya, reserve.
Reserver.
Reserve.
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 Tahimik, manhid.
Okay,
Hindi
good.
siya nagsasalita.
One word
sa akin, Sia is glowing tonight.
Glowing tonight, 2 words po iyon. Glowing.
Glowing.
Demure.
The debut.
Debutant, of course.
Gorgeous.
Joyous.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Smart.
Smart.
Cute.
Cute. Ang cute din kasi nung
Kind.
Kind.
Sweet po.
Sweet.
Hindi ka iha.
Dalawa yun mo.
Beautiful.
Naulit to ha. Huli na. Papalabasin ka na namin. You're out. Last word.
Smart.
Naulit-ulit. Di tayo uuwi. Another word.
Important.
Cheerful.
Cheerful. Very good. Palakpakan.
Daddy's girl.
Dalawa rin po iyon. Loving. Kung kailan kayo tumanda, di kayo marunong makinig, ha? Next po.
Stunning.
Stunning. Are you done, ma'am? Oh, yung may-ari ng ano, Cebuana Ludier.
Mainhin.
Oh, kala ko gold. Tapos na po.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Pretty.
Pretty. Beautiful, gorgeous, pretty.
Humble.
Baba. Okay, one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, happy birthday to you. One more time, louder and more energy. Alright, right this moment, Zia, this is your moment to make your wish for yourself, for your family, and for those people na nagmamahal sa iyo. Go. Once again, round of applause to